Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. As we approach the final stretch of pregnancy, excitement fills the air. But what if, in these last crucial weeks, something unexpected happens? Suddenly, there's bleeding, an alarming and potentially dangerous sign. Third trimester bleeding is a critical issue that can arise unexpectedly, leaving many parents worried and unsure. In this lecture, we'll explore the causes, risks, and necessary actions to ensure the safety of both mother and baby. Let's get started, and together, we'll navigate this important topic. Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about third trimester bleeding or pagdurugo sa huling 3 buwan ng pagbubuntis. We'll cover what it is, the possible causes, symptoms, and what you should do if it happens. We'll keep it simple and clear so everyone can understand. So first, we're going to discuss what third trimester bleeding is. Third trimester bleeding is any vaginal bleeding that occurs during the last 3 months of pregnancy. Kumbaga, ito yung pagdurugo na nangyayari sa mga huling buwan ng pagbubuntis. This can be a serious issue and should always be checked by a healthcare provider. And now, we're moving to the common causes of third trimester bleeding. And we have 3. The first one is the placenta previa, or placenta is too low. This is when the placenta is located low in the uterus and covers the cervix, or the opening of the birth canal. The second one is the placental abruption, or placenta separates too early. This happens when the placenta detaches from the wall of the uterus before the baby is born. And the third one is the preterm labor or the early labor. This is when labor starts before 37 weeks of pregnancy. Here are symptoms to watch out for. First, light spotting to heavy bleeding. Any amount of bleeding should be noted, whether it's light spotting or heavy bleeding. Second one is abdominal pain or cramps. Pain in your belly or strong cramps can be a sign of a problem. And the last one is contractions. Regular contractions before your due date might indicate preterm labor. What to do if you experience third trimester bleeding? First, stay calm and seek help. Don't panic. Contact your healthcare provider or go to the nearest hospital immediately. Do not use tampons. Avoid using tampons or dutching as this can increase the risk of infection. Also, note the bleeding. Keep track of how much you are bleeding and any other symptoms you have. Third trimester bleeding can be alarming, but understanding its causes and symptoms can help you stay prepared. Palaging tandaan na humingi ng tulong mula sa inyong doktor o sa ospital kung saan makakaranas ng pagdurugo sa huling 3 buwan ng pagbubuntis. Thank you for watching and stay safe. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others. For more information about pregnancy and other health topics, subscribe to our channel. Maraming salamat po.